All right. Okay, let's eat this. I'm very excited. I'm a little too excited. Welcome back. I'm Sarah. This is Kimchi Happy, my cooking channel where I show you the Korean food that I like to make. So Ssam literally means wrap. So as long as you wrap it in something, it being like a main protein, then you have Ssam. I'm gonna show you the most common way that I like to eat it. So I have a nonstick skillet here, and you want it on like medium heat. And the samgyeopsal, the great thing about it is that it cooks so quickly because it's so thin. And then after it's done, you just plop it on a plate and sprinkle a little bit of like a chunky salt on it, and it's finished. The pork belly has so much fat in it, I usually don't put any additional things on there. Yeah. Sizzle. My goodness. Turn it over. I usually turn it a couple times. Yeah. Oh man. And since these pieces are long, you can cut them in half so they're bite-sized, but I just fold them over and eat them that way. All right, so I flipped them a couple times. Oh my goodness. As long as they're not pink, they're ready, but I like to have them a little bit crispy, like this. I can't stop smiling. Ah. Yeah. Perfect. All right. Next round. Be careful of the fat exploding or popping off. Okay, and so Ssam, it actually is eaten with just like the wrap, some kind of protein in the topping. In my household, we always have it with rice because it's more filling. So to be totally correct, if you serve this with rice, it's called ssam pap, because ssam is the wrap and then pap is rice. So yeah, okay, I'm gonna make you one that I get to eat. A red leaf lettuce. So I'm gonna put a little bit of the ssamjang in there. Man. And one of the pieces of samgyeopsal, which is the pork belly. I'm gonna put some kimchi in this one. And the muchim. And you can see that it's already quite deflated from when I finished making it in the last video. So I'm gonna do as Koreans proud. Fold it, shove in face. I look sad now, but I'm very, very happy. The reason why I have this plate of veggies is because I don't like to waste the little end bits or the middle part of the lettuce head. So I put that in here so you can dip it in the ssamjang also. And just sliced cucumbers. Sometimes I'll do sliced carrots. It's really whatever vegetables I have on hand. So like I said, Ssam just literally means wrap. So you can do a huge variety of this. You can make it super fancy with, I don't know, endives or something like that for the wraps. Or this is just like a very low-key at-home situation that I eat on a regular basis. If you paired this with like, if you need more to the meal, if you're feeding more people, like having a side of like sundubujjigae or like the kimchi jjigae soup on the side, so good. And then the rice usually comes in when I'll like eat bits of the rice and then some of the side dishes. I hope that you make it sometime. If you do, make sure to let me know because I love seeing when you guys make my food or make the recipes that I like to share. Yeah, okay, see you another time.